Hello, Stivarts 89. Well, I got another delivery of Master Universe Origin figures, which I wasn't expecting because the tracking didn't indicate it was anywhere near here. So, quite surprised, but this is actually the last two I've ordered, and probably will order for a while. It's Evelyn, of course, the Master Universe 2002 version, which I'll open first. She's already pre-cut. Well, almost. Okay. I debated for quite a while whether or not to get Evelyn. Oh, it's one of those. Okay. Okay, I debated for ages whether or not to get her or not because I just felt like the Evelyn and Teela were too similar to the originals, and I just didn't feel like there was any reason to get them. But then I saw this one with the different colour scheme, the pale yellow-white sort of skin and the purple outfit and the black boots. I thought, okay, it's worth getting because I got the green goddess, so I felt like I had a Teela from Origins, but she was green, she's a green goddess, that sort of justified it, whereas I kind of needed to justify getting an Evelyn, and the 2002 version was enough justification for it. Now accessories. Of course, she's got her, I don't know, is it a wand? I think we call it a wand. I think I should just cut the bag. It's a nice dark purple, like the rest of her outfit. And there we go. Now, packaging, the usual sucker punch on the inside, mini comic. Out on the back, instructions, and I think this is the first card back. I actually think I have all the characters. I haven't noticed any of them. There's always one I don't have. This wasn't stuck for a change. The last couple have been stuck on the inside. And we have her removable parts. And sucker punch if you haven't seen it. I must admit, I am disappointed by the land shark. I thought the land shark would have molded instruments and that on the inside, and it doesn't. I'm really surprised by that. Now let's do a little comparison between the original. As you can see, the colour is the real main difference. Costume is basically the same. She doesn't have a cape, I didn't realise that. And this one I got is a custom cape. And then we have the Filmation one, which looks less like her, although the colour's a little similar. She has a cape as well. And of course, very similar to the original Teela, because they basically were the same figure, just for a different face. Nothing like Filmation Teela, of course. And then, of course, there's a green goddess. And I think that was originally supposed to be a different shape, so they probably should have changed the mold for that, but I don't know. If we get more figures just from them recolouring, I'm okay with it. Now, for Keldor and Cronus. Look at the back first. There's nice art. Box is in pretty good condition. Again, another back. I don't have Ram Man. Instructions. Okay. Well, I actually managed to not bend that. I wish they had more creative backs than just the red and the blue, but that's what they had with the originals, I think. Now, these are held by rubber bands as well. Okay. Maybe not. Gosh. Okay. The rubber felt a little fragile then. I was scared I was going to tear it, but it's fine. Ah, Keldor. Always wanted Keldor. And he has an alternative Skeletor head, which just rolled out. It has some nice little red crystal eyes. Oh, how am I going to get that out? Okay. You know what? I'm just going to leave it in there. Now, Cronus is going to be hard to get out, I can tell. Thing is, I don't like cutting the little clear rubber bands because I use them to position the figures. They're very handy. So always try and save them. Come on. Of course. Okay. He ain't pretty. I think you look better with the trap jaw. Let's do a little comparison, of course. Kronos and what he ended up looking like. And the Filmation Super 7 version. I don't know why his face went green. I need to read the comic. And of course, I can't believe I didn't grab my Skeletor. There's a Filmation Skeletor. Wow. I'm going to have to pull this power sword out. Come on. It'll stretch. Can't believe how long this took, but I love that I got another power sword. I've got quite a collection now. And of course, his gun. I love the partially transparent staff. And another power sword. Well, this one's a bit warped from how it was packaged. Wow. There we have my 3 new Master Universe figures. The last of the Origins I'm probably going to get for a while. Not only because nothing seems to be coming in, that are in the pre-orders, but just because there's just not a lot left that I really want. But it's been great fun collecting them so far, and I can't believe I've been talking for 10 minutes. I'm going to go. Feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of them. Thanks. Bye.